Alright everyone, it is Saturday, June 22nd, 4:20 p.m. and we are breaking one box of 2012 Panini Prominence. First, let's go over the roster. Alright, let's get started. Up first, gold for the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman out of 897. Gold for the Cowboys out of 897, Des Bryant. Silver for the 49ers, Frank Gore out of 897. For the Buccaneers, legend, Mike Alstott out of 897. Another legend card for the 49ers, Platinum Jerry Rice out of 897. Our first hit, a redemption for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Our next hit for the Chiefs, Devon Wiley, numbered 183 out of 199. And up last for the Eagles, jersey card of Nick Foles, numbered 270 out of 299. Alright everyone, thanks for buying the break. Hopefully you'll join us again next month.